We're already to lesson in week number 4. This week in 325 you'll study sections 91 through 95. The lesson's entitled That You May Understand and Know How to Worship. This lesson's pretty simple if you'll just follow these instructions. Again, you need to read the sections. That's the prepare part. Read the commentary in the student manual as instructed here. That'll help you do well on the quiz and do well on the other parts of this assignment this week. If you do that, take the assessment just like you did last week. If you have trouble with that, give me a shout out and I'll see what I can do to help you. Those quizzes are very interesting to try and reset, but it can be done if you needed to take it again. The research and writing assignment is pretty simple if you'll just do this, and you'll probably get most likely full credit if you'll just do these things. The trouble students always get into is they get creative on how to put these assignments together, and it makes it very difficult for instructors to figure out what students are trying to answer. So read these instructions really carefully. You're supposed to ponder section 93 and answer these 7 questions. So they're pretty simple, and it's pretty simple to do if you'll just do it this way. What I would do again, like I've said in past assignments, is I would take these, I would copy them out and paste them into the document I'm working from. I would probably highlight these in a bold or italicized font, or even change the color, but bold will do. And then after each one I would put my responses. That will be sufficient, and it will make it easy for me to grade. Also, make sure that you don't forget the word count. I cannot easily determine how many words are in the assignment. I have to copy the assignment out, paste it into a Word doc or a word processing document, and get the words. And so I just assume that there's not enough, and so I dock heavily on no word count. I just can't figure it out without a lot of extra time. And so if you'll just do that, that will be great. Then you've got down here at the bottom these quotes that go along with this assignment. They're fantastic. So if you read the instructions, read the quotes. The quotes go along with question number 1, and I think you'll be fine. Get the word count in it and post it in there. It doesn't need any fancy formatting, just clarity in how you present your work. Remember, this is a college level religion class. Okay. Then you push that in there by Wednesday night at midnight. The teach one another assignment, again, the discussion board. First post needs to be in by Wednesday. Posts that are not made by Wednesday most likely will get the whole assignment. Even if you got a lot of posts, just half credit. The first post needs to be in by midnight, Idaho time or Mountain time. That gives you 5 points. And then the other posts will be due by Monday night at midnight. So most are probably getting them done sometime during the week by Saturday, which is good. The reflection, again, just like last time, most students are doing very well with this. You've got the aha or powerful idea paragraph, and so you've got that, and you've also got the other part where you have who you taught. And the instructions in this lesson are not complete, but they are when you go to post the paragraph. So they're still working on, again, how to get these assignments to look consistent and right. But there are 2 parts to this. You've got to teach somebody outside of class for a half hour or discuss it and report that. And the instructions are pretty clear when you go to submit that assignment. Again, if there's questions, let me know. I want you to do well in this class, and have a great week studying these sections.